It's a tradition to make a New Year's resolution. Resolutions typically involve some type of self-improvement. And according to a study by Scranton University, a whopping 92% of Americans are unsuccessful with their New Year's resolutions. If you're a regular reader of my blog or e-newsletter, you know that I encourage thoughtful, realistic, planned out, and measurable changes at any time of year. When you create and attempt change within these types of parameters, you'll have a much higher success rate. I also encourage folks to make changes at any time of year, not just in January when everyone else is trying to do the same. You need to make a change when your mind or body or soul feels the need for it. In the January-February 2018 issue of Men's Health magazine, Editor-in-Chief Matt Bean's letter from the editor was music to my ears. Music to my eyes. He said it so bluntly and efficiently, which of course I love. Quote, "I'm calling bullshit on resolutions. If a calendar is the only reason you're setting goals, you're missing out on a whole lot of opportunity. Here's what I'm asking myself for 2018. How's my bandwidth? My throughput? My task completion ratio? They are metrics worth tracking today. Starting something, a diet, a relationship, a DIY project has never been easier, and making it matter is harder than ever. String together enough new feats and you'll develop what might be the most important quality in these disruptive times: momentum. And that's a year-round kind of thing." End quote. Amen, brother. He wants to take a measurable look at his efficiency, productivity, and quality of life. He also understands that you need to choose your priorities through all the noise and choose what's most important to you to focus on. By chiseling away at a goal, taking baby steps toward progress, and celebrating your wins, you'll build up your confidence and your momentum. The big Mo has a long way. If you've chosen a New Year's resolution, I encourage you to take the time to map out the resources you'll need and the steps you'll take to be successful. I also recommend that you create mini benchmarks along the way so that you can celebrate each mini victory on the way to the big one. That's how you build up the big Mo. And I also hope that you consider making changes during other parts of the year as well. Here's to thoughtful, successful change and an even better life.